Connecting a new device to DoorDash is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to get started quickly and easily. Step 1. Download the app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for the DoorDash app. Download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Open the app. Once the app is installed, tap on the DoorDash icon to open it. You will be greeted with the login screen. Step 3. Log in or create an account. If you already have a DoorDash account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to DoorDash, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 4. Verify your account. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Start using DoorDash. Once logged in, you can start browsing restaurants, placing orders, and enjoying your DoorDash experience on your new device. Now you are ready to use DoorDash on your new device. Enjoy your meals.